everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1957 Chevy. This is a 210 wagon. Great car, guys. I actually bought this car from a buddy of mine. He's out of Tennessee. He actually sold it because he was buying a piece of property. But great car. It's an older restoration. There are some things you can nitpick on it, but neat car. It's got air, small block 350. I just put brand new wheels and tires on the car. I've always wanted to have a set of these Coys. I think they're called C33s with the caps. And so it's got brand new rubber. Matter of fact, the stickers are still on the tires. Brand new rubber, brand new wheels all the way around it. Neat car. It's finished in a midnight blue metallic. It's got a custom two-tone blue and silver interior. Again, it's got air, disc brakes, power steering. Nice car. It's a good car. He said it's got about, I think he said about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on the car since it's been restored. And it drives great. If you're looking for something to turn the key and go have some fun in, I think you'll have a blast with this car. I've always liked wagons, had a soft spot in my heart for them, and this one's cool. Again, it's got the original. A lot of the chrome and trim is actually original, so you can nitpick it a little, but still very, very nice. Pretty color combo. Glad we got some sunshine so you can see the dark blue metallic. It's dark out, it almost looks black. Pretty car. Paint slick on it. That rear window and tailgate, all that stuff functions properly. You see this original piece that you can nitpick. I like the car. Good straight car, and again, runs and drives excellent. That's a good car. It's clean underneath. I've always wanted to do a wagon with a set of those wheels on it. I like them. Those are Coys C33s, 18s and 20s. Brand new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Again, it does have front disc brakes. It's got a little rake to it. When I say that, you know, so it's got 18s on the front, 20s on the rear, so it's kind of staggered a little bit. Yeah, 350 Chevy small block in it, 4-barrel. It's got aluminum intake, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an MSD 6AL box on it. Does have aftermarket heat and air, and yes, it does work. 350 turbohydramatic trans. I had the wheels actually they're painted Wimbledon white, so it's a little bit of an off-white. A scratch there in your window. New mirrors. Like I say, just a good car and a really fun car to drive. Nice interior. This is all brand new. Lecarra steering wheel. It's only showing 100 miles on the odometer. That's because he just replaced all that and had that all rebuilt, so that's all brand new. But he said it's actually, probably between 4,000 and 5,000 miles on the car since it's actually been restored. Factory dash. Got some aftermarket gauges in there. All that stuff does work. I don't know if the radio worked. I tried to get the radio come on, so. But you can see the car's clean. It's got the little jump seat there on the passenger side. Dual exhaust, stock rear end, no big gear or anything like that. It's definitely something you can jump on the highway and cruise. Good car, really good car. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I can't. Nathan's going to have to do that. Again, clean underneath. You just lift up, and then there's two little clips so I have to push out, and it'll go down. Yep. Nicely fit in there. Yeah, cool car. It's different. I like it. Yeah, little clips popped out there. All new door rubbers on it. Seats are nice, very comfortable. You can go ahead and fire it up, Nathan. Original door handles. Runs out excellent. R134 air, it's all aftermarket. It's a unit, it works, it blows cold. Like I say, just a really good car. Fuel gauge works up here. Everything else is down there, and all those gauges do work. Say car hits the road really nice. I couldn't get that to come on. Did you get it on? I couldn't. I don't know if you push. It's one of those aftermarkets. The blower motor does work. Like I say, all your gauges do work down there. Don't think the wipers work. It'll be electric or vacuum in 57. I don't even think they're hooked up. Oh, it's got LED front turn signals. Those are pretty cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Hold on, Nathan. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. You can do that by clicking the little box there at the bottom. Good car, man. Just cold this morning, guys. It's getting that time of year. A little chilly. I like the wheels, man. Gonna have to hurry.